Alright, I'm going to show you how to migrate your old calendars over to your new calendar. This migration will allow you to accept calendar invites from your new account, even when they're addressed to your other account. First thing we're going to do is fire off Google Chrome and log in with your new account. When you bring up Google Chrome, you should go up to this icon with the 3 bars, go down to Sign into Google Chrome. It'll bring this page up. Go ahead and type in your email account and password. And it'll say you're going to link your data. We want to go ahead and link it. Once that has been that's happened, we'll have access to all of our bookmarks, access to the Google apps that have been applied for our domain. These will automatically publish. And then we'll also have access to our Drive, Hangout, all of those wonderful things. Next thing we're going to do is go up, same button again with the 3 bars, go down to the settings, and we are going to choose Add a New User right here where it says Users. Pick a avatar to indicate your new account. I'm going to pick the Ninja. And pick out a nice name. If you want to have a link for this one on your desktop, go ahead and click Create a Link for your both Chrome browsers on your desktop and click Create. Now you'll see we've got the Ninja avatar up here and the Superhero Spandex avatar up here. This is how you tell which account you're working with. The new email account is the Spandex, and the old email account is going to be my Ninja. I'm going to log in with my old email account on the Ninja side. So alright, go ahead and click Link Data there. And now we are logged into our old email account and our new email account at the same time. So again, if I click on Apps and go to Mail, here's my mail for my old email account, and Apps and click Mail here. Here's my mail for my new email account. Now we're working with calendars, so what we're going to do is go to the website calendar.google.com, or calendar, excuse me, single.google.com, and here you should be able to see all of the different calendars that the old account has access to. Once we're at this point, we're going to go click on this down arrow and click on Settings, and it has again the list of all of your calendars. The primary one that we use is our name at. So I'm going to go to the Shared Edit Settings, and we want to make sure that it's not a public calendar unless you want everyone to know what's going on in your life. We're going to add a new person, and this will be our new email account name. So GailS@WGSD.us is mine, and I want to change this to make changes and manage share settings. Once I hit save, it'll say, are you sure you want to share with this person who's outside of the organization? Go ahead and click yes. From that point, you should be able to go over to the new account, and as you see, I just got an email. I've been sharing quite a few calendars with me, but this one's saying that my old account has given you access to manage sharing settings for the Google Calendar called my old email account name. So again, here we're in the new email account. I'm going to go to calendars.google.com or calendar.wgsd.us. They both bring you to the same place. And now you see I have access to my new calendar. I also, no, there's my current calendar, and this one is my new calendar, or my old email account calendar, excuse me. So if I want to create an event on that calendar, go ahead and create it, and we'll call it test event. We'll make it today at 2 p.m. Oops. 2 to 3. Sounds great. Created by, and I'm going to hit save. So right here we have test event on the new events calendar, but it's showing up as the old email account. And here, if I go back to my calendar and refresh, we've got the new email, or the new event that was created using the old, or excuse me, created using our new account. There's a few other options that you can do. You can also export a calendar from one account to another, and that would be done by clicking on the arrow here, going to settings, and highlighting the calendars you want to export, and click export calendars, and that will create a file with all of those calendars. And then you can go to the new account and say settings import, and you'll choose the file, and you'll say, well, I want them listed under whichever calendar you have them listed as. The problem with that solution is that it does not synchronize back and forth across calendars. So if you create an event on one calendar, it would not create an event on the other calendar. That's it in a nutshell. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about how to synchronize your calendars from one account to the other. But if that is everything, I think I'm just going to call this a wrap.